So I have a lot of clients that are parents. That means they are spending a lot of time in the car, whether it is sitting in the car rider line, picking up from school or dropping off, right? Shuttling kids of various ages, right, to their various different after-school activities. And then also, quite frankly, running errands for your business, right? Whether you're meeting with clients or trying to find prospects or just picking up stuff for an event that you're producing. Whatever the case, if you are in the car, you can 100% be taking advantage of that time to also work on your business. And here's the ideas. Number one, any of those calls that you need to make, whether it is to vendors, it is to follow up on leads, it is to answer to clients, do them when you're in the car. If you can schedule them beforehand, even better, right? But if not, that is your perfect time to take advantage because you don't need to be in front of a screen. You can have the conversation and continue moving that business forward. Number two, listen to a podcast, right? A lot of podcasts out there, particularly ones that are in the marketing and sales space now, are actually shortening down their formats. Who has an hour to listen to these? Not me, unless I'm driving back and forth to New Orleans. But other than that, I really don't, right? So there's 15, 20, 30-minute episodes that you can listen to in the car that should jumpstart ideas for your business, right? Or it can give you new things to learn in the process, okay? Another one, if you are sitting still in the car, okay? We're not talking like just at a stoplight, but I mean like waiting at a practice, doing car rider, pickup, whatever, okay? If you are sitting still, it's a great opportunity to also scroll through your social media feed and engage. Not your friend one, your business one. If you're on LinkedIn, that means all you have to do is like and comment on other people's things. You don't even have to post your own original content in order to get your company and your name showing up in the newsfeed again. Benefit of using LinkedIn. If you're on Instagram, scroll through and actively engage with things, right? I mean like thoughtful comments, not that's pretty or so cool. Actually start conversations with people. You can also use these short pockets of time, even if it's just 5 minutes, to scroll through the hashtags of what your ideal client is looking for and what they're posting about themselves, right? And then start commenting on theirs. Start bringing your brand in front of them by engaging with their content, right? And the last thing, of course, that you can do, jump on Facebook, jump on Instagram, and create a story. Explain what is actually going on in your business, right? People really do want to see how the sausage is made and they want to understand who it is that they may be working with, particularly if it's a service business. So that, my friends, are multiple different ways that you can take advantage of time when you are in the car to continue moving your marketing and sales forward.